Alright, we're gonna shoot these balloons with our airsoft guns. I'm going to use my L96 sniper rifle, and it's gonna be really cool. Alright, I'm gonna go shoot them. Alright, as you may have noticed, not many of the balloons popped, which is disappointing, but some of them did. So what I noticed was the ones that were floating up higher popped. Probably because they're more expanded, so they're easier to break open. Alright, so that's what happens when you shoot a balloon with a 465 feet per second sniper rifle. Disappointing, disappointing.